So this is my PowerPoint on why Earth is a habitable planet, and it's by Ashley Morgan and me. So some fun facts is Earth is not flat, but it is also not perfectly round either. And I think this was a good one to mention because everyone argues about that all the time. And then the Earth's gravity is not uniform. Our sun has a large appetite. The solar system formed 4.6 billion years ago. The sun is 93 million miles from the Earth. And then Earth is only a very small part of our solar system. Next is like the recipe for our life. So we have the moon, stable rotation, a magnetic field which protects us a lot, the atmosphere, and then a long-lived sun. And then this is like the habitable zone, as you can see. I'm not gonna explain it because I feel like this picture really explains it very well. And then what we need to survive on Earth is H2O, water. That's like common sense one. Sunlight, and then protection from the sun ray, and then atmosphere, oxygen, and then carbon dioxide. And then right here in this picture shows the sun, and then right here would be too hot for us. And we're like right where it's just perfect. And then this would be too cold. So why is the magnetic field important on our planet? The magnetic field vector that describes the magnetic influence on moving electric charges and magnetic currents. It helps create a moving charge that will create force on another moving electric charge. Magnetic fields help protect our planet from cosmic radiation and also from the charged particles emitted by our sun. And then it's kind of blurry, but this is also another like little sentence about why it is important. And then that's it. Short and sweet. Thanks for watching.